Awesome, it's working.
You mean this guy?
Alright. Okay. Cool. Bloomberg. Nope. Put it back. So yeah, USD and a couple more. What's up, Emma? How you doing? What's up, guys? How everybody's doing today? It's currently at 9:10, so cool. Is this echoing, bro? Let me know real quick. Test. Dang, it's echoing. Do you know how to fix that? Yeah. Let's see. Same. So still the same. So this is good. How about now? I think this should be good right there. Test. Nope. Good. See. Test. Yeah, it should be good, bro. Thank you. Alright, cool. Alright, that should be good right there. Alright, again, guys, how's everybody doing today? Today is Tuesday. Monday, I'm sorry. Alright, let me set up my, let me get set up real quick and then go ahead and start. Awesome. Everything's good. Let's see. Let me pull up. Bloomberg.
We had all the best traders on my side.
Man, I called this up right here. Man, we missed it. We missed it. That would have been a perfect entry. Dang, I should have gotten it. Oh man, I'm so mad at myself. I didn't get in this right here. I actually called this. Man, let's see how much you win now. That's 50 pips right there. Wow, that's not bad though. I mean, if you think about it, you know, if you look if you look at your odd, you know, if you go to your week hour, go your 1 hour, and then if you draw your this low to this high right here, okay, and then do it again 61.8, and then boom, it respect, and then jump 50 pips from there. So so that's a pretty good, that's a really good entry right there that you could have got in. Let's see. Get rid of this.
Well, Chris actually called that.
Yep, and it was divergent.
I just got in it late.
Let's see, this is gonna be the dollar quick. Cool. Cool. We're definitely gonna take a look at the dollar today. Make some predictions and stuff. So, let's see. I don't need that. I don't need all of this. No way. That's the worst. That's the worst thing, bro. That is the worst. So. Oh. Man, if I would just look at my chart this week, I would have been good. Wow. Bro, check this out. I marked this up, and I didn't even know about it. We could have been eating like 40, about 37 pips on that one, and then I marked this up with Jimmy. This is about 50, about 60 pips, 60 pips right there. I didn't call it that one, but I called that one. I'm gonna go to yeah. So one pair, one, two pair. Damn. That's my pair with that. I need to keep looking at this pair, man. Oh, UJ's coming back. Okay. I'm definitely gonna look. I'm actually gonna mark up USD JPY today, so you can see right here.
JPY is a fucking. Justin look at the daily UJ.
Look on a daily. Let's see. So you got so definitely there's a zone right here. I'm gonna mark that up real quick. Boom, right there. Right there. So this will be our support and resistance. So there's definitely you know, going to, you know, even though if you're looking on a daily, it's still, you know, moving sideways or consolidation. As you can see right here, it has not break out of this price zone right here. So let's see what I can do. I'm gonna draw up my trend line right here. Go from here to there. And I'm gonna make this green. Make that a little bigger. Okay. Actually, you know what? Make that blue. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just take this off for just a little bit. And yeah, I'm just gonna take that off. Let's see, we got that going. I don't want that in there. Let's see. Let's see. What can I? Because you know, one thing that I can tell you guys right now for you know, USD JPY is that, you know, this is actually a while ago. Is, you know, whenever I was talking about, you know, zones and everything, and you know what's the play for USD JPY, it's that obviously we see it right here that there's a zone. Okay, this consolidation, this what price came down, and you know we checked off of it right there. You know, it's been doing it for about, it did that for see about a year. You know, so that's in 2014. So we could definitely put a, here, I'm gonna get closer. Okay, so I can drop my zone up here. Okay, and I can make this green, make this a little darker. Okay, so we can definitely extend that. And number 1000 right there. Okay, so it's right here, right now. So what I can say for you guys is that what I can tell you guys from this right now is that, okay, it has room to go up. You know, it definitely has room to go up, and you know, if it does respect this right here, okay, if it does respect it, you can definitely expect I would say a drop from right here, because one, it's making a W right here. Okay, you look closer. Okay, first it dropped down, went back up, came back down again, makes M. So this went up. So what pattern? You know, now it's making a W pattern. So if it does pull up, actually I'm gonna go to daily real quick to see it smaller. So yeah, I would say USD JPY that it's gonna keep going up, and then it's gonna come down right after it goes up to our zone, which is what we have right here. It's gonna be, the price is 105 .256, because if you look, okay, it's been retesting at that price right there. I'm gonna make this little, there you go, right here, perfect.
Why are you walking backwards?
So again, you know, yes, this right here. Okay, so check this out.
You gotta come out for the next NFP.
Okay,
Here next month.
I would even say, you know, this right here is one pattern. Okay, obviously the W. Okay, now let's break this down a little bit. Let's make this down. Okay, so after it makes a W,
Come out for December. Come out for December.
after it makes a W, it makes a M.
Come out for December NFP, bro.
No, like the minions were shitting on me.
Or hold on.
Dude, if you fucking keep sending me those signals, send me some signals. You make me some money, I'll buy your flight. You?
So now it makes an M. Now it went up. Okay.
Help me grow my account, like I'm gonna put 10 grand account.
So that's pretty much it right there. Then now this has to play its part and go up and hit a price, and then boom, it's gonna come down from there. Again, this is just my bias on this right now. Just just looking at different scenario, what could happen. I mean, yeah, this could just start going up and break through this zone, but
Wow.
you know what I mean. But
What do you see? Is this a Gartley on you?
Hey, Alex is coming.
so
Yo, is this a Gartley right here?
because again, if we're wanting to, if we're saying that it's gonna come down, all I'm saying is it's only gonna come down to this major quarter, which is at 96.671, and then go up from there. Because yes, a lot of people are wanting to go up. But you gotta look. Okay, what had happened right here? It come up, come back down to the zone. Retest for a while, or consolidate for a while, and then go up.
This one?
Consolidate, go up. I really think that it's going to do the same thing. Is that it's going to consolidate right here, which is it is between these two price, and then consolidate and drop, and then go up, or it might just going to keep going down.
I see it.
You know what I mean? So. You know what I mean? So it's like so
Yeah. Oh, this is a head and shoulder right here. Yeah, I see it. I see it now that we stretched it out. Yeah. Oh.
Let's see.
Yup.
Yeah, that was pretty simple. I mean, John, are you just doing so I guess what I'm seeing that you just been doing price action.
Yeah.
So what is your prediction on this? What do you think it's gonna go to? But yeah, again, my bias on this right now is that it's gonna push down, and well, I mean, it's gonna come up here and then gonna go down. That's whenever it's gonna close the gap. So if you're looking at the true trend of it, so. Make sure I got everything.
Yo, I'm listening.
So I mean, even though this happened, I mean it's still going on the same thing. Coming down, went back up, coming down, went back up again, and then create this W pattern, then go down. But then what happened whenever it went down? It makes the M pattern. Boom! It shot up. It's doing the same thing. W came back down. Makes the M right here, then went up. It's the same thing. Then M went up. Makes W goes down. It's the same thing. Up and down, up and down, up and down. So I mean, really just looking at pattern for an M and W. I mean, that's like that. Like, if you're new to trading, that's my advice. That if you like I said, if you're new to trading, well, I would definitely advise you to practice being able to identify this kind of this simple patterns, and once you go through looking for the M's and W's, the head and shoulder is going to pop out, and and a lot more pattern that you can look, and even descending triangle with the flag, so and that was for your odd. Actually, for your odd, had my 6-1 playing perfectly. I actually forgot to get into this trade. I should have just put my man. I'm so. What, you're odd? Wait, what you getting in? See, that would have been a nice nice profit right there. So disappointed I didn't get in, but that's okay. So because what goes up must come down, so I'm gonna get in for the retracement and then
Wait, it's still,
profit.
You're saying it's gonna be an uptrend now. Or
The fucking mad missed me.
UJ's gonna go up, bro.
DJ's going up.
UJ's gonna go up.
That's why I was like, I can't fight.
So yeah.
yeah, it's trending.
So I mean, pretty much just like just really for if you're trading, no, you got a way to go, bro. You got all the way up from up there. So I mean, we can buy it up, dude. To be honest,
Buy it up.
shit, it's making its M right here.
Like that?
It's saying, I don't think it's gonna close it anytime soon. Excuse me. So, but yeah, I'm looking at for it to come, maybe to come down like right around here.
This?
Maybe it come down like down here, and it'll go up from there. But then again, we're looking at the higher time frame.
If you're already selling, you can't buy it, can you?
Huh?
If you're selling it now, can you buy it?
I mean, you can do anything, bro.
Oh,
Yeah, you can do anything.
probably might buy it.
Yeah. See. But yeah, I mean that's my bias on that. I think it's gonna come up here for a
Internet.
How much I just ate to stay alive.
Wait.
You couldn't kill me.
Oh yeah. Say it again?
So yeah, like again, I think it's gonna come down just a little bit more.
Dude, I wish I could.
We should get a shell.
Let me drop my fib real quick.
We need a weakening. They don't have to sprint. We should get weakening.
Here.
Okay, go. We gotta get shell.
Oh,
That'll help us eat the fucking pockets.
that'll be right here.
We definitely
Yeah, that'll be right here. And then I think on 1 hour. Okay, so it did respect it. So yeah, see, it did respect it. Yeah, draw your fib. So yeah, I mean, if, like, look, check this out, bro. So on a 4 hour, hit my fib, 61.8, respect it.
Yeah.
So it's like I said, I think it's gonna go up, and then from here, I think then it's gonna go down from there. But then again, I mean, I'm not. Hold on.
So when it hits that trend line, it's a buy.
No, not.
So
I hope it comes all the way back down.
That's fucking
Then
crazy.
are you so into it?
Yeah, I'm still in.
Okay. Yeah, this be right there. I'm not sure. I'm not saying this is like this is like a harmonic pattern or anything. I'm just drawing out to it because it looks like a W. So like I said, I'm just kind of waiting for it to go down. I mean to go up. I would say, just let's measure this real quick.
So should I get an entry right now? Yes. Right?
About 82 pips.
So you think we should buy it now?
I mean, honestly, like if you think about it, I'm gonna use RSI real quick. We'll do 2.
You buying?
Nah.
Like up here is the resistance. It's only like 16 pips.
We can fight this, man.
Let's see. I mean, it definitely has more rooms to go up before it start going down. March 50. Mark this up at 10.
Yeah, fuck it, I answered.
Hey, did you go for a buy?
No,
No?
no. Did you?
No, it's hitting my 61.8 though.
Yeah, look at my chart.
I think it's gonna go up to like, I think it's gonna go up to 105.261, and then I'm gonna sell from there because it's heading my,
It's gonna rally up and then.
yeah, because once it goes up, then it's actually gonna close the gap, because because then the news might even push it down because of everything's happening this week. Yeah, like like if it's gonna tank, then it's gonna tank. But then again, it's like what, from here on out, like until that election, it's what, like in like maybe a day. Well, it's tomorrow, so to go on tonight, and London, maybe New York. I don't know when
What am I getting?
election, when this election, like what time during the day. But actually, we can look it up. We have everything right here. I forgot about that. We can look. So
You're breaking up. You're breaking up.
U.S. right here. Presidential election all day. Oh my gosh, you don't even know. The red phone is all day, bro.
All day tomorrow.
Bro, I ain't trading tomorrow, dude. If it spike, oh man, it's all day.
If that shit drops though, I'm buying gold and I'm selling fucking UJ. So
Yeah.
we lit.
I mean, honestly, I would just observe. Really just respond to the market, because I mean, we don't know what it's gonna do. Yes, the movement is already predicted. And that's the truth of it. But we don't know. That it's either gonna go up, it's gonna go down. It's 50-50 chance.
Oh shit, I never knew you could do that.
You know what I mean?
That's lit.
Check this out right here. Presidential election.
That's crazy. I never knew you could do that.
So, going to this, tomorrow,
What did you have?
like going to tomorrow is, it's, I would say somewhat gambling. At the same, it's not, because, if you just if you just respond to the market and just, look, okay, let's say the news hit, one of you pick, what are you gonna do? Are you being, are you observing? Are you? Because I mean, honestly, I wouldn't trade the news. I would trade after the news. That would be my choice. For tomorrow is trade after the news,
Right, where is that?
because you don't know what's gonna happen. I mean, yes, you're looking at this. You're looking at this one here. Like once the news hit, you're seeing that it's positive, so it's gonna go up, but then it dropped down. Why? It's to fake you out, to make you lose money, hit your stop loss.
Damn, I got smoked. Russell Wilson.
So yeah, that again, that's my, honestly, that's my my bias on U.S. pair, period, because look. I think there's a gap for this too. Hold on. Was there a gap for AU? Wow. Oh no. AU didn't have a gap? Bro, why would we be trading AU? And then look, it went up there perfectly. Bro, would have been in nice profit. Been about 40 pips. What, 34 pips. Man. Yeah, I need to find out when the election, because I'm gonna be watching. Boom, money's being made right there. Maybe the dollar crash. and then see what's gonna happen there. Like, what is your guys' bias on it? Like, or what is your game plan for tomorrow?
Yo,
Because I know that again, like I said, it's gonna be a risk trading tomorrow, and like I said, I'm gonna be trading. I'm like, I'm not gonna be like, no, I'm not gonna be trading. Like, yeah, like there's money to be made. But you gotta be careful when you go into this. You can't just, how many confirmations do you have, going to the trade right now? Because honestly, right now, if you decide to trade, I would have at least 3 or 4 confirmation before you even jump into your trade. Make sure you look at your news. See if there's no news coming out. So that's your first confirmation. Then again, look into if it's in the zone that says 2, your trend line that's 3, your Fibonacci that's 4. Like, those kind of things, little things, makes a difference. If you do your analysis right, you have a higher chance being in a profit. You know what I mean? Or if you want to start doing, just write down, just log your trades, and then right now next to it, like, why did you get into that trade? Because then if you lose that trade, okay, if you take an L on it, then you can go back to see what did you do wrong. So then, once you go back, you retest, you backtrack, you fix your mistake, you see what is happening in the market right now. Why did I take an L? So, like, and again, that's what I did for 3 months. Like, whenever I told you guys I was studying for 10 hours a day, I really did that. Like, that was the only thing I did. Was trade. If I lose, I'll backtrack it. Boom. Like, I mean, I didn't spend 10 hours a day doing nothing. You know what I mean? So those are the things that you need to do, or just get it's. I mean, I wouldn't say like hold on. What, since you looking at your, I see, like, okay, yeah, let me look at that real quick. Like, again, like, that's the best thing you can do is backtrack your trades, or just log it. This nice W right here. So I was waiting for this to happen, and I missed it. Like, right here. I was literally, I haven't marked up AU in like a week or so, and this happened.
This right here, this was gonna be your entry.
No, this right here it was a W. You know what I'm saying? And then it dropped. Then now it's hitting my my trend line where I marked up a long time ago from here to here. So now, this right here could go up again and retest. Okay, so let's draw your fib from here down to here. So this right here could even come up to here to 0.77079, and then go down from there. Because like I said, guys, if you want to get into for a reversal, midweek reversal, that's what everybody goes for. You know what I mean? So, and a lot of people blow their account because one, they either get in too early and then it just keeps going up and up and up and hit everybody's stop loss, or you wait for the you wait for the pairs to reverse, and then you get in for a retest. That right there is even safer than trying to get the perfect entry for the midweek reversal. So again, if you want to be if you want to play safe and less risk, I would suggest you to get in the trade after the reverses already happened, which is getting in at whenever the retest happen, and draw your Fibonacci's. So let's see. But yeah, that's my so I'll be waiting for that right there. See, yeah, it should be right there. Cool. So waiting for it to come up, and then go down from there. Plus this zone right here, which is what I like. Let's see. Let me draw. Let me see if there's zone right here. I'm sure it is. This is beautiful right here. Man, if I if I were to get into this trade, man, this would be good. So this, I want. Oh, where's the price at right now? So the price is right here. Let me change this real quick. Oh, you already know. There's zone up here. I'm liking this setup right now, guys. So, and then, so we see that there's zone right here, zone, okay, zone right here, perfect. So now we're looking at right here. Now this way, he could just keep. Then this right here, since it dropped down, came back up. This might be the reversal where it could just keep going down right here. So let's look on a small time frame. Okay. So we're looking at this, and this definitely, we want to see divergence. Actually, let's see if there's divergence on this, okay? So, this is pushing up. Okay. So this way it should be pushing down. Okay. So that's what we got. So that's not divergence right there. But this... Oh, okay. A bigger okay. So be right there. And then right there, because one push, two push, three push. W makes a move right there. So I would say wait for this to come up here, or I mean, if this goes up, it's at 50 right now. Yeah, I'm just kind of waiting for this to go up to my zone, or my my RSI, and then I'm gonna do 2. Cool. So I think that was it. Hold on. I was gonna look at 5 minutes instead. Dang. So the price already came, or the momentum is already pushing down. I want to see if it's gonna push down just a little bit more. Okay, and while this is happening, okay, looking at the 5 minute. Okay, this definitely shoulder there. Shoulder there. I mean a head here. And then we might be looking at this right here. And then that's gonna be at the 38.2. Yes. But I don't think this is a true head and shoulder, because then it'll have to go up here and then drop down. But we're looking at this, okay, and definitely this makes an M right here. So I'm looking at 5 minutes could go up a little bit more, maybe even to hit the 61.8, which is what, oh man, hold on, let me put this in the middle. See. Right there. So yeah, 61.8. and that would be perfect because then it'll be, yeah, it's already pushing up. Obviously this curve going up right here. AU? Yeah, I'm looking at that right now. Yeah, I'm looking at it. It says pushing up right now. You know, you might be, honestly, I would put it, yeah, exactly, 7-7, yeah, like right here. It'll make sense, you know. So, but yeah, so I would say, you know, I would be looking at a sell limit at 0.77081. So that would be, you know, if you want to take a trade, you know, that's your own risk. But again, that's my bias. Excuse me, that's my bias on it. So so John, so why can't you trade tomorrow? What's going on, bro? What's going on? I can't believe it went all the way down and came back up though. This right here's throwing me off so hard right now. Like the this was last NFP, and then I think this was NFP. Hold on, let me look. That's gonna be on the 4th. So yeah, this is NFP right here. So let me go to 15. So NFP didn't really do much, I guess. Okay, so this is all NFP. So yeah, I guess it doesn't look like much at all. You know, I mean, again, you know, this week is has been, you know, this NFP was really slow. So other than that, you know, it's pretty much just really look out for AUD USD. I mean, just like, you know, the US pair period. You know, I'm wondering why this AUD USD did not gap at all. I mean, it should. So I think it's because of every JPY pair. Let me look up. Yeah, this one didn't even gap. Yeah, I think it was just JP. Let me look at Euro JPY real quick. Okay, so yeah, every JPY gap. So this is that. Go back to AUD Euro odd. Dude, remember what I told you? 61.8. We missed it, bro. It went up like 67 pips now. Dang. Yo, hey, we were looking for another sale on AUD USD though. Yeah, come look at this real quick. So on 4 hour, okay, I had this marked up for like weeks, bro. Nice W right here, or yeah, this right here, and then drop. Okay, so now
it hit 61.8.
No, it's about to, because now we're looking. Now it's already dropped. Now we're looking for a retest to re-enter, and I'm looking at right here. Draw my Fibonacci from up here to down here for this jump right here.
Yeah.
That's what I came up with, and then this zone throughout the chart. Look at that right there, right there. All of those right here. So now we're looking because I think it's gonna keep dropping right here. So if this drop, hold on, let me go to 1 hour. If this drop, then this has to go up, which is already doing. So I'm
Once
thinking.
you hear it consolidates down, that's when it goes up.
Yeah, exactly. So I think it's gonna respect this. Uh. Wait, I did. Yeah, that's the gap right there. So see, it's not even that far. Think about it.
Yeah.
It's not even that far. It's now because
Retest.
yeah, this was the retest. If you
That was the retest.
yeah, see.
Right here. You even wrote it possible retest.
Oh, so it may go even higher.
Oh yeah, it's gonna keep going up, dude.
Oh, well, yeah, I'm not getting in yet. Wait.
Yeah, it's dude. Like once it drop,
Mm-hmm.
everybody's gonna eat.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna wait.
Man, I might even host a Google Hangout for the election.
Let's go.
You know what I mean? Everybody gonna eat. You know, it's like.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, I mean, I think the US dollar gonna keep going up. And they were saying what if Hillary wins, it's gonna keep going up, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it's gonna fall in like within like a year. I mean, at least like toward the end of the next year, that's when they think it's gonna crash around like around this time of the year, but next year. So yeah, so man, and if you know, obviously Trump's not gonna win. Like he just there to just get attention. So you know what I mean. So, but other than that's pretty much I mean, I can look at other pay. Actually, let me look at Euro NZD real quick because I think somebody was looking at that. I've been looking to switch to like, you know, not really a lot of, you know, popular pair, you know, the JPY pair. Honestly, I might start trading Euro AUD because now it's all good, you know, everything makes sense, you know, because of what this happened right here. Messed everybody up, dude. Look, I marked it up and everything, like. Oh, this right here. So yeah, I've been definitely been keeping up with your odd, but I haven't like really so yeah, I think it's gonna keep rising. So wait, hold on, they move opposite. Hold on. So AUD is gonna go down. Okay, and then your odds gonna go up. Perfect. So we now, you know, do you have just two trade that you can mess with, and then this right here. Then we're looking at maybe it'll keep going up, and then we can sell down whenever it touches right here. So. Right in time, yeah. I was just looking at USDJ Pro, but yeah, like, you know, I think USDJ Pro is going to keep going up, and then once it come up here, it's going to close the gap because it hasn't been able to close the gap, you know, whenever it's open. So I think, you know, throughout, you know, today, throughout London and, you know, New York, I feel like this could be keep pushing up, and then it's going to close, and then it's going to drop later tomorrow. So but yeah, you guys have any questions? So AJ, I got you, bro. JPY, not JYP. Honestly, I think, you know, it should be the same for this. Yeah, it should be the same for this. Yeah, same. It's the same.
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna be the same, but I'll definitely mark it up for you, bro. Yeah, I mean, I think it's gonna be a same movement. So that's a huge M right there. I think. Hold on. This is whenever the market crash. Look at this, bro. Let's show. Let's
One right here. One right here. There you go.
Let's 5,000 pips.
5,000.
5,000 pips.
Wow.
Well, is it 5,000 pips? I'm pretty sure it's 5,000 pips.
Trading view. Stupid.
Let's see. Yeah, it's in micro, so yeah, you don't.
500 probably.
No, that's
I
five.
don't read in there.
That's
So
not-
it's
you
like
don't-
a JPY pair.
Yeah, you
That's
don't.
500 pips.
Yeah, you don't look at the last number. It's so 4,900. Because you don't look at the. It's in micro.
No, but I think in trading view, it does like 2 extras. Oh, is that 395 days?
Yeah, this is a monthly.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah, dude. Like I think what the stock market crashed what in like 2008 or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is probably it right here in.
Oh my god.
That's crazy, dude.
That might have been around Obama. No,
Really?
seriously. Think about the last presidential election.
Oh,
That's odd.
yeah.
Go look at UJ. See where it has the same drop.
UJ.
Because if UJ has the same drop,
Actually, let me look on this
then
one.
it's
We might be eating
it was Japan.
AJ's about to drop too.
this right here.
AJ?
Dropping now.
AJ.
You gonna sell now?
I got
AJ. Here, let me look at it real quick. Oh crap. So I mean, honestly, you can like. Here, look, check this out. This is a trick that I should learn. Whatever happens, just get like right there. So yeah, that bounce off of that. I mean, honestly, like this right here shows the downtrend. You know what I'm saying, AJ? If you're looking at a monthly, yeah, I mean, so it's been in downtrend. It's looked like yeah, it's a little gap right there. But I think overall it's gonna be a sell. I think it's gonna keep dropping. So you went up. So here, let me draw my zone, what my levels for you guys real quick. So hold on. Did it go down? Did it keep going down, or did you
Is
get?
it still going up?
Oh, they're up in the tree. They're gonna shoot the car.
Oh.
They're waiting for the car.
So this can be your base right here. Okay, and we're looking at this. You know, whenever you're looking at the level of like, you know, how many, you know, it's like a stair step. You know, go up one, retest, go up two, retest, go up three, retest. You know, and the three, you gotta remember the three is going to be you know, the biggest jump or the biggest drop. You know, whatever trend you're in, and then you have the fourth one, just tiny one, and then that right there will be your base, and that's what we have right here. This is gonna be our base. So this can be base, okay, slash 4. You know, or it could be a 3. You know, like if you count, you know, from here going up 1. Okay, yeah, let's count from here. Going up 1, and then let's see. B1, that's 1 right there. This is kind of weird, so let's see. Actually, you know what? I would just extend this right here because in this area, the price. I mean, I understand this happened right here and it came back down, retest up. But again, at this price, it still doesn't know what it wants to do. Okay, so going from here, now let's just start from here. Okay, so now you go in and then it goes up. Okay, this will be right there. Okay, that'll be your 1. This will be your 2. Okay,
Where'd they go? I saw them.
put it right here.
You see them too?
Or we can just do it all the way across. Okay. Then we have a third one, which is like I said, the biggest one. Then go into our 4th and / base. Okay. So pretty much right there, that's when you really can, you know, see what's gonna happen, and then you can just drag at this, and you know, yes, these can be super colorful and you know this and that, but you know, if you're just, you know, just able to see where price is gonna hit, it's gonna be so much better. And this is what I did. This is how I, you know, this is like a good start whenever you're new to looking at zones. So we can see.
We can go to that town and then
Oh.
way out there, the orange building. Go over there.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's for it to go up. So this can be our base, and this can be 1 right here, 1 drop, 2 drop, and then this third drop is actually gonna be right here. Okay, this can be right here.
Anyone have gas? Y'all have gas?
No, bro, get your own gas. But yeah, it's definitely hitting his zone right here, though, bro. Check this out. Okay. So now let's make this less visible, and I'm gonna show you a trick.
This has been rated, so if you want
Just focus on right there. Boom and boom. Right, that's all I'm looking for. So if it's gonna respect, which is gonna come up here, I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it when it's come up here. So, and then now you can go back and draw your Fibonacci's. You can see why perfectly went up there, but okay, so now you have that confirmation. Okay, and go take from up here all the way down here. Now we're looking to how can we get the best entry. Like I told you guys, wait for it here, 61.8. That's all you gotta do right there. So that's it for the night. If you have any questions, let me know. Message me. I'm actually gonna be on a call today, so I'm gonna be on my phone. So yeah, like I said, if you have any questions tonight, please message me, and I'm gonna help you guys as much as I can, because I know this during time of the year we can make so much money, but we need to take guidance and, you know, stick to your commitment, to stick to your goals. Okay, have a game plan, market the chart, write it down, have a log, have 2 or 3 confirmations, write it down next to it. Trust me, you will be a better trader. Okay, so again, if you have any questions tonight, let me know. I'm gonna help you guys. Just call me, text me, whatever, and I'm gonna help you. So again, have a great night and stay safe.